Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today's video will be dedicated to Indian grey wolf, which is an exclusive species of Indrapur, which is 35 km away from Bhigwan. We started our journey early morning from Agnipank Flamingo viewpoint, which was our stay. Kundan Bhai, our guide, took us there within 20 minutes and registered our name to the logbook in Forest Guard office. Then we started our journey inside the government protected land for wolf. It did not take much time. We found the first individual searching for other members of the group as he putted away. So there is a pack of wolf with 8 members could be found in that season. Among those, one was alpha male with a female and their 6 cubs roam frequently to their territory to search for food. We started following these two so that they could lead us to the entire gang. Let me inform you, as per Forest Department rules, total 9 cars can be permitted per day for the safari. We could roam around the protected land in morning and evening for certain time. The cost will be included in package if you go with any of the organizers like Kranti or Agnipank, and your respected birding guide will take you there, and they take one Forest Department employee inside the car while doing the safari.
गया उसके पीछे हाँ
Most funniest part of the video when a painted francolin flew away as the wolf arrived and the way it looked at the bird.
बस 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 बस
One interesting fact about wolves is adult female always lead the gang when they go for hunting together. Most of the time they hunt with gang. Sometimes for small prey they hunt individually. Finally, we were able to see the entire herd playing with each other. They act exact like a dog. Did you know if the parent wolf hunts something, they share it with their descendant? But if the cubs got a prey, he or she hide it inside the ground and eat alone for 2 to 3 days without informing its siblings. Indian wolf doesn't attack human until they resist their hunger. Individual wolf scare of human, but if they are in group for single human, they may attack. I hope you got some glimpse of the sighting of wolf in Bhigwan. See you in my next video. Till then, raise humanity and spread peace.